Welcome back, it's Tutorial Tuesday. Today, I will show you all the different options for cargo space in the X1, X5, and the X3. On all of our SAVs, there's compartments underneath here. And on the X1, you can even push it back to give you even more space, or if you have a particularly tall item. You can also remove the cargo cover by pushing up and pulling out. Your last option to increase cargo capacity is by pulling on the tabs below. And they will fold in a 40, 20, 40 ratio. To remove the cargo cover on the X3, press the button and simply slide out. There's even a storage space underneath here for your cover. On the X3, there's two different ways to fold down the seats. The first is with this here, and they are spring-loaded, so they will fall down for you. The second way on the X3 is by grabbing the handle here and pulling down. And just like with the X1, you have a 40, 20, 40 split. For when you buy 2-minute groceries, again, you have the storage compartment underneath, and you will remove the cargo cover the same way as the X3 by pushing the button and sliding out. To put the seats down on the X5, you follow the same steps as the X3. Pull the handle up top and pull the seat down. That's all I've got for this week. Remember, if you have any further questions, please reach out to the Genius team at Hendrick BMW Charlotte. I'll see you next week.